So now let's see how we can use the object option inside of a Figjam file. So to access the object option, you have to go on to the menu, and over here you can see object is an option. So if I were to go around right here, you can see that there are two objects. You can select this out right here. So let me just select the two objects. You can go around over here into object and group out the selection. So once you select out this, you can see that it acts as a single object now. As you can see, you can resize, and every time you select, this is a single object. You can also go around with the alignment tool, as you can see right here, just like this. You can align it to the center and so forth, as you can see. You can double click to actually go around and change it, click outside, and this is what you have. Similarly, you can go around and then on the object, you can ungroup this out as well. So over here, this object has a certain arrangement. So if you want to bring this to the front, you can go around over here into object and bring this to front. You can also right click and you got different options over here. You can send this to back over here as well, and so forth. You got all of the options in the object right here. So let me just bring this over here, as you can see. So this is in a certain level. So if I were to go around, right click right here, click on bring to front, it'll come right up to the front, as you can see right here. If you just want to bring it up one level, you go around into object and click on bring forward. So it just comes one step forward right here. Similarly, you can go around over here, go to object, click on send to back, and it goes way to the back right here. But if you want to go one step, you can go to object and click on send backward. So it is on the center now. So similarly, you can go around over here into object, and here you can see you have different options. So you can see that this is an image right here. So you can go around over here into object. You can flip this horizontally over here. You can flip it vertically over here. You can go around and then rotate it 180 degrees right here. You can go around and then you can rotate it 90 degrees onto the left. You can go around, rotate it 90 degrees onto the right, and so forth. What you can also do is you can lock out the layer right here. So now you cannot edit it out. You can select it, but if you were to click on the lock, now it's unlocked again. So similarly, you can go around, lock it from right clicking on certain layers as well. Lock it, and this is what you have. Unlock to click it out like this. So that is how you can use the object options inside of a Figjam file. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.